Welcome back to the How to Office channel. There are several advantages to printing 6 slides on one sheet of PowerPoint presentation paper. One of them is that you can save paper by printing each slide individually. If you don't know how, watch this tutorial to learn how. Go to the File menu, select Print, then in the settings on the left, change the full page slides option to 6 slides. There are 2 options, 6 slides horizontally and 6 slides vertically, just choose one. Then, click Print and you'll see the results. So, how easy was it, friends? That's how to print 6 slides on one sheet of PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.